What's up, YouTube? Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to design an email header. This is a great way to enhance your branding and make your emails more professional and engaging. Let's get started. The first step is to go to snappa.com and make a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that we have a bunch of different graphic sizes to choose from. In this case, click on Email Header to view our templates. All of our templates are fully customizable, and we have a wide range of different designs and layouts. So take your time scrolling through and look for something that you like. Once you find a design that catches your eye, just click on it to start editing. Now that our canvas is open, we can begin by editing the text. Once I double-click a text box, I can type in my own title for the email header. And using the toolbar on the left, I can change the font, the text size, the color, and more. If you want to remove an element from your design, you can just click on it and press Delete on your keyboard. You can also reposition elements by clicking and dragging across your canvas, or just use the arrow keys for more precise positioning. If I click on the Backgrounds tab, I have the option to change the background color, or I can choose a photo from our stock image library, or a background pattern. Once I'm finished designing, I'll click the pen icon at the top to rename my graphic. I'll then save to avoid losing any progress, and I'll download it as a Retina JPEG to export the image file to my computer. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.